Hello everyone, myself Lakshya Singh.
And myself Virat.
So today we have made the structure of atom of nitrogen. So the symbol of nitrogen is N, and this is our nucleus. It contains 7 electrons, 7 protons and 7 neutrons. It have K shell, and K shell contains 2 electrons. And the next shell is L shell. L shell contains 5 electrons.
Atomic mass of nitrogen is 7. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. Number of protons present in nitrogen is 7. Number of electron is 7, and also same with number of neutron is also 7. And the valency of nitrogen is 3.
Hello everyone, I'm Akima.
I'm Avni.
Today we are going to represent the atomic model of carbon.
As you can see, this is the atomic model of carbon which we have used. It consists of 6 protons and 6 neutrons inside its nucleus. It consists of 6 electrons which revolve around the nucleus. It has 2 shells. The first shell is K shell, which consists of 2 electrons, and the second shell is the L shell, which consists of 4 electrons. Its atomic number is 6, which means the number of protons present inside the nucleus. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Yogesh. Today we are here to represent our atomic structure of boron. The symbol of boron is B.
And its atomic number is 5. And the electric configuration of boron is 2 and 5, which means it contains 2 electrons in its K shell and 3 electrons in its outermost shell, which is L shell. And the number of protons in boron is 5 and the number of neutrons is 6. Hence its atomic mass is 11. And the valency of boron is +3.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Giri and myself Manishika. Today we have made the atomic structure of an element that is known as beryllium. The symbol of beryllium is Be. And as we know that number of protons in beryllium are 4, the number of electrons are 4 and the total number of neutrons are 5.
As we know that the number of protons is equal to the atomic number of an element. So, the atomic number of beryllium is 4. And as we know that the number of protons and neutrons make up the mass number of an element. So, the mass number of beryllium is 9.
As we know that electrons are present in the shells or orbits that are located at that located outside the nucleus.
So, the electronic configuration of beryllium is 2 electrons in the K shell and 2 in the L shell. Thank you.
This is the atomic structure of lithium, which have 2 shells, K and L. This is the nucleus, and these are the electrons which revolve around the nucleus. So our element name is lithium. Its atomic number is 3, and it have 2 shells, K and L. K shell have 2 electrons, and second shell L has 1 electron. Its number of proton is 3, and number of neutron is 4. Its number of electrons is 3. So it's have in the last shell there are 1 electron, so its valency is 1, and its atomic mass is proton plus neutrons. Protons are 3 and neutrons are 4, so its atomic mass is 7. Thank you.
I am Aruni, I am Adiba, and today we have prepared the atomic structure of oxygen.
Atomic number of oxygen is 8. It is nucleus and it contains 8 protons and 8 neutrons. It is a K shell and it contains 2 electrons. It is a L shell and it contains 6 electrons. Thank you.